National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 309, effective until 1 a.m. Thursday, or 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Ford, Iroquois, Kankakee, Vermilion, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Newton, and Pulaski. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado Watch number 309.